This is the Paulmann Plug Shine outdoor light system. Each item, the beams and cables, are packed in a separate box. Power supply, cable and connector. And cable. And now we continue with unboxing of all items. So let's look into the boxes. The spotlight and other things are packed in separate boxes. You find the safety instructions and general instructions inside. The beam looks very rugged and well designed for outdoor. This is the 5-meter cable. This is the cable, the 5-meter cable, also with the instructions. Cable itself, 5 meters with the meters. And finally the power supply and the separate 1 to 3 connector. If you screw the connectors neatly, they are absolutely waterproof. I recommend to place the lights temporarily to see the effect at night, and so you can optimize the arrangement later on. Finally, we can enjoy the beautiful illumination in the garden. Thank you for watching.